Solenoid is used for translating on and off electrical signal to on and off mechanical movement and normally uses a linear actuator. A solenoid valve finds application in control of room heating, gas flow, water flow, etc. As shown in the figure A solenoid is made up of a coil with a movable iron core. The coil will have some voltage or current, rating may be DC or AC. A typical circuit is shown in the figure B. When the coil is energized, the core is pulled inside the coil. An amount of force by which the core is pulled mainly depends upon number of coils and the amount of current flowing in the circuit. The cut-off section shown in the figure C illustrates the operation of solenoid actuator. The spring return plunger is held in the upper position when the coil is electrically de-energized. When the voltage is applied to the electrical coil, a magnetic field is produced in the solenoid frame. The frame is essentially permissible magnetic lamination excited by the coil. The plunger is actuated by a magnetic field pulling it to the down position against the spring pressure. The choice of solenoid for an application depends upon first, the size of mechanical load, second, the moment distance of plunger, third, the type of electrical connection, fourth, the type and value of current and voltage.